islands, I needed to get away, so I bought myself a ticket for the island plane. And we landed in the water and paddled to the beach, and there stood the prettiest island girl that I have ever seen. And she said, my name is Maya, and I will be your host. And then she took my bag and she took my hand and she took me to her boat. And we traveled around the island and into this private base. She said, when we have a good time on this island, mister, this is what we say. Booyah, 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 yippee-ki-yay. Booyah, 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 that's the island way. Jungle, she showed me to my hut. There were birds in the trees, the lizards were green. I even saw a monkey's butt. And I said to my pretty Miss Maya, where can I get a drink? Then she took me down the beach to the tiki bar, and Maya gave me a wink. I said, booyah, booyah, booyah,